Lately, I've been encountering this alarming trend among Americans and probably people throughout the world where more and more people are starting to believe we live on a flat disk planet, which is pretty absurd because there was actually a Greek mathematician who proved we live on a spherical Earth over 2,000 years ago. So this has been settled science for a very long time, but this ignorance is starting to emerge. So, we live on this Earth, we know it's spherical, there's people all around it, this might be Australia, this could be America, and we know that there's gravity, and gravity is accelerating us towards the ground at 9.8 meters per second squared. So this is the rate at which things fall, and it's the rate of Earth's gravitational acceleration. Now, some people would say, well, gravity doesn't exist. There's no such thing as gravity. Well, okay, I don't know how I can really convince those people because I take a ball and I drop it, hey look, gravity, right? But I started to do a thought experiment and I thought, okay, well, what if the Earth was flat? How could this work? And it turns out if Earth was flat, there is a way that we could feel gravity, but here's how it would have to work. This flat Earth would have to start at some speed of 0 initially, and it would have to be continuously accelerating upward or in some direction basically forever, because it turns out the human mind cannot perceive the difference between a flat plane that's accelerating at 9.8 meters per second squared in one direction or the force of gravity just pulling down on us on a round Earth. So how would this work? Well, that would mean every single moment of every single day, this flat Earth that we live on would have to be accelerating and getting faster and faster and faster as it moves through space. But where it gets really weird is eventually it's going to reach light speed. So the speed of light is 299,792,458 meters per second. Or we can simplify this to about 300 million meters per second. This is the fastest known speed in the universe. But if this flat Earth keeps accelerating, eventually it will reach the speed of light. In fact, it's going to do that in about 354 days. So in just over 350 days, this Earth will be moving at the speed of light. But that's actually impossible because the laws of physics completely prohibit any object with mass to move at light speed. So of course light can move at the speed of light because it has no mass, but an entire planet, would never ever be able to reach the speed. But according to this model, which would explain gravity, it's just impossible because there's no way we could ever reach the speed of light. And in 354 days, that would just be absurd.